Good morning all. This is Jagriti and I'm host for today's session. Today we'll discuss on topic of digital approvals, a shift in business processes. Before we start, send your questions for the question and answer session via chat and the recording of this webinar will be shared. So moving further, let me introduce about my company to you. So Simprax is into enterprise software solutions. We having 30 plus years of industry experience. We are into technological innovation to fulfill customer needs, and we have 3,000 plus customers across different sectors with total 7 years of average of customer loyalty. We are having headquarters in Los Angeles and global presence, having offices in different countries. In India, we have the offices in Mumbai and Pune for APAC region. Let's have a look on customers. We have the customers in different industries. We are not an industry-specific solution provider. So in manufacturing industry, we have the customers like Volkswagen, Volvo, Asian Paints, Tata Chemicals, etc. In finance industry, we have the customers like Citibank, HSBC, etc. In FMCG and food industry, we have the customers like Coca-Cola, Bacardi, etc. And in pharma industry, we have the customers like Himalaya, Pfizer, etc. Other industries, we have the customers like Dainik Bhaskar, Times Publishing Group, etc. Moving further, let's set up agenda for today. So in this year 2020, COVID-19 is a big unpleasant surprise to the entire world. The major challenges for the entire global economy was to sustain the business continuity during the lockdown, social distancing, and other challenges. Yes, some organizations were better prepared, some confused initially, but eventually tackled it. Rest are still complaining and surrendered to the situation and waiting for it to get it over. So considering these kind of scenarios, digital transformation has a vital and highest priority in the B2B industry. So our today's discussion will revolve around digitization approval process, where we will see why digitizing workflow is important for your business. We'll discuss business cases on workflow, and then we will see Simprax solution for digitization approval process, and then we will have question and answer session. Now let's have a quick poll. So what percentage of your approvals are paper-based? First, 0 to 25%. Second, 25 to 50%. Third, 50 to 75%. And fourth, 75 to 100%. So I request you to cast your vote. So it might be different departments as well, like sales, distribution, finance. Yeah, I will wait for a few more seconds. Yeah, thank you for your voting. Moving further, let's discuss about digital transformation. So digital transformation is reinventing businesses. It's not about IT and technology. It's about redefining entire business strategy, perhaps even changing culture on the backbone of the technology. There's some questions concerning digital transformation, like how much time should we spend on our business processes? Then do we need to worry about our current state? Can we define our future state business processes without our future technology? When should we start business process mapping? We must say COVID-19 is a perfect storm for digital acceleration. But question now is, how soon can organizations shift to the new digital businesses and operating models? In that regards, we will discuss in detail about digitization approval process. So we'll see the benefits. First, ability to audit. Second, it will help to reduce manual efforts and eliminate paper. Third, you can get automatic alerts. Fourth, related document matching like invoice, purchase order, delivery note, etc. Fifth, authorities can approve the document from anywhere, from any device. It will help to fasten your payment cycle. Easier onboarding for other related workflows could be possible. And it promotes uniformity and so on. Moving further, now we'll discuss why digitalization workflow is important for your business. There are some considerations like, are employees spending too much time doing low value tasks? Here, I would like to take an example of the expense sheet where in every organization, sales team have to scan all the bills they have to attach to the email, and then they have to take the approvals from respective authorities for the expenses. Another example could be manual process for leave approval, where also employees has to spend a lot of time doing this kind of tasks. Second consideration, like, are bottlenecks often caused by busy decision maker? Here, a process could be account payable process, where once invoice received from the vendor, internal authorities has to approve that, then finance department will approve, and then payment will be done to the vendor. Considering this, do all your vendors receive delayed payment? So I'm quite sure, like in this pandemic, due to work from home situation, vendors might face delayed payment. So there might be reasons like due to busy decision makers and other challenges associated with that. Another consideration is, do you have paper-based process of approval? So here I would like to take example of the PR or PO approval, where there are maybe complex conditions. That conditions are very difficult to manage in ERP. So for that purpose, you have to use paper for that process. Another consideration could be, do you have to do manual splitting and merging of the documents? So in case of RFQ distribution to vendors, once quotation received, then you have to do manual work for all the comparison and all, and then you have to take the approval from the authorities. Another consideration, like, do you have manual acknowledgement process from customers for document or goods delivered? So if you have such kind of scenarios, then there is a need for digitization approval process. So let's go into deeper. So we will see how process can be improved. So first, define the problem. So you might have the process that is currently working fine, but if you see that process in detail, so there is usually room for improvement. So first, we have to define the problem. The second, once you do that, you have to walk through the entire process. You have to take a paper, you have to see where the manual process, where the paper is involved. In that regards, you have to talk with users, where they are facing problems, where is the bottlenecks, concerns, etc. So it will give you a fresh perspective on it. And then it allows you to develop possible solutions. So once you walk through that process, understand the process, once you define the problem, then you can think how you can resolve their issues. After that, you can go back to the users and say, if you did this kind of improvement, will it helpful to you? And after their response or opinion, you can test the solution and then you can execute it. Moving further, let's have a quick poll. Are your existing processes high volume? First is yes, and second is no. So I request you to cast your vote. Yeah, thank you for your voting. Moving further, now we will see another like important business case from the leading automotive components manufacturer. So they're having challenges in pre-PR and PR approval process. So on the left-hand side, you can see they're receiving quotations from the vendor. Then they have to make the comparison. They have to make Excel, and the relevant documents like PDF, they have to send to respective authority for the approval. After their approval, they have to create PR in SAP. And they're having manual PR approval process because they're having almost 50 to 70 different conditions for different business units, and that conditions are very difficult to manage in ERP. The conditions like PR for training or program unbudgeted, they're having different authorities, and there they're also having the different conditions. So coming back, here you can see entire process is manual, is time consuming, and there is a possibility to loss of document due to paper-based process. So using Compleo, we can automate and we can digitize this process completely. So on the left-hand side, you can see the SAP. For SAP NIBM, we have the certified integration with SAP NIBM respectively. For other ERPs or applications which allows API integration, we can integrate using API connector, or we can use FTP approach. Now for PR, they can simply process the PR from their ERP. It will be captured in Compleo using a certified connector if it's SAP ERP. Then predefined template will be applied on it, and then it will be distributed to required authority automatically, and then required authority will approve the document, and then it will be distributed. In pre-PR process, once quotation received, it will be collated into Excel, and then it will be distributed to required authority for the further approval. Now we will see the demonstration for the non-ERP document, which is an expense sheet. So you can see on the screen, this is an expense sheet template. So users simply can fill these details. He can attach the bills, and he can simply save this file from his desktop. In the background, it will be captured in Compleo, and then it will directly send to the respective authority for the approval. If it's an SAP document, you can process it directly from SAP. Now you can see here, First layer of authority will receive this document on his official email address. Now he can simply click on this link and he will use his login ID credentials and he can access this web console. Now on the left hand side, you can see the metadata which is captured from the document, and the right hand side you can see the document in detail and along with the bills as well. Now as an authority, he can simply approve this document. Additional functionality we have it, he can use his ink signature or digital signature for signing, and he can simply sign this document. Once he signs this document, then automatically document will route to the next level of authority. Here next level of authority is a finance head. So finance head will receive this email. In between, we can send email notification as well, like this. Now you can see finance head will receive this document. Now you can simply click on this link and he will use his login ID and credential. And he can check previous manager's comment and the signature. And he can simply sign the document. Once he sign it, then creator of this document will receive the email along with the document. Now you can see here, we can archive the link as well in the email body. So let me open that document for you. So here, creator of this document will receive the document along with the 2 signatures. If you want to store this document, then we have our own complete archival solution as well. Moving further, now I'll discuss another business process, which is account payable process from a leading company in the automotive retail and after sales service from the Gulf region. So they're having 35 different departments and 250 plus authorities who are responsible for approving vendor invoices. They're having the cross-team approval challenge because they're having 3 to 4 authorities every department, and finance department having 2 authorities for each invoices. So their higher management received complaint from their vendors that the vendors are receiving delayed payment. So due to which, when authority want to have the solution where they can track the document, like which departments, which authority taking time for the approval due to their busy schedules like that. So that's why we have proposed a solution where we can improve their existing business process. Now you can see here, like vendor can send all the invoices to dedicated email address, and using email connector, we can monitor that email address and we will capture all the invoices in Compleo, and then we will route to the respective authority. The respective authority will approve it and it will go to the next level of authority. In case of busy schedule, all the authorities will get email notifications as well. Once it's approved, then invoice and PO will be merged, and then it will be approved from finance department, and then vendor payment will be processed. In case of rejection, vendor will be notified. And here, audit report will be sent to the higher management as per the requirement, either in month end or weekend. Now moving further, we will discuss another business case from the pharma industry. So there are major challenges where manual efforts and paperwork. So we have proposed a solution where using Compleo, we can create a document as we are into a document management solution provider. Then document will send to the respective authority automatically, and then all the data from SAP will be mapped to that document, and the final document will be signed using dongle, and then it will be distributed for batch process. Now let's have a quick poll. So what are the challenges in adopting paperless approvals? So first, process complexity. Second, high number of approvals. Third, lack of interest from management. And fourth, budget allocation and others. I request you to cast your vote. I will wait for a few more seconds. Yeah, thank you for your voting. Moving further, let's discuss on the business scenarios where there could be delay in delivery note acknowledgement from the customer. Another possibility may be a customer having the multiple authorities for the approval, or another business case like HR doing recruitment online nowadays, and they have to get signed or offer letter from the new joinee. So in this kind of scenarios, manual intervention and paperwork is involved. Using complete website solution, we can help to get real-time acknowledgement from the end user or external user. So on the screen, you can see you can process document from ERP or using FTP approach. Then document will be sent to external user or customers using complete website solution, and multiple authorities from there, and they can approve the document. Then you will receive document back, and your authority will sign it, and then it will be distributed as required. Now we'll see the demonstration for that. Now here we can take example of the task order. So task order, you can dump it into this folder. Now it will be captured in Complio. Now if you can use SAP, then you can process the document from SAP or from other ERPs. Now you can see here, document will be captured. Now if it's a half green, that means it is under process. If it's a full green, that means document is processed completely. And if it's a red, then you will get logs as well. Now once this process gets completed, then customer end, first authority will receive this document. So they have to simply click on this link to view this document. Now you can see here. So this is a cloud-based application of Complio. Now in the bottom, the customer can put his comment. So you can mention that whatever discussion that is not available in this document, and he can type the signature. He can type it, he can draw it, or he can upload the signature. So predefined signature you have to store in your desktop. Accordingly, you can apply it. Once it approved from first authority, and then it will go to the next layer of authority. So document will come out of the cloud, and it will directly route to the next layer of authority at customer end. So next layer of authority might be IT department. So IT department will receive this email. You can see here. Yeah. So simply, you will click on this link. Now, let's suppose if you want to have the mobile OTP as well. So that can be also possible. So on respect to authorities register mobile number, he will receive the OTP. He can put the OTP, and then he can view the document. You can see. Now you can type it or draw it or upload the signature. After that, once you approve, now if you want to add multiple authorities, so depending upon space available on the document, you can add that. Now let's suppose this is the final authority. Once it approved, then document that respective like your team will receive this document. They will simply click and they will view all the customers' signature, and they can apply their signature as well. So process is similar and unique for every user. So once your authority assigns this document, then creator of this document will receive this email. Yeah, you can see here, email has come in real time. Let me open that for you. Yeah. So this is a signed document having with the digital signature. If you can scroll it down, you can see signature and comment from all that customer end and your end as well. And you can see here digital signature, then IP address, location, and all the logs you will get it. Moving further, now we'll see workflow solution using digital signature. So you can see at point number 1, user will process the document from their ERP. It will be captured in Complio, and then this document will be routed to the respective authority intelligently. Now required prerequisite here is remote agent, which is a Complio like client software, needs to install on authority system, and dongle needs to be plugged. Now authority can review that document using dongle. He can sign the document, and digitally signed document will be available on authority system for printing, or else it will be distributed as required. where we can push back in SAP DMS, we can store in the respective location, or we can distribute over email, etc. Now moving further, now we'll see why to use Compleo for document approval workflow. So it's an end-to-end solution for your internal and external documents, and using digitization automation, your entire process could be transformed. And we can have you can have our own archiving solution, so you can find your documents easily. And as I mentioned, for the integration purpose, for SAP and IBM, we have the certified integration, and for other ERPs, we can work using API connector or using FTP approach. And another important factor, like audit reports, can be distributed to your higher authority automatically. So if you decided to go for workflow process, some factors that will helpful and influence your decision, like Compleo acts as an admin tool. There's no any programming efforts are required. Then certified integration with SAP and IBM. And in short, it's a one-stop solution for automation and digitization with multi-channel distribution. Here, I would like to highlight some important points. Like, we're not into only into digitization. We are into processes automation. We can provide you customized reporting. We can enrich your existing document. We can provide you e-invoicing, e-web, and digital signature solution as well. So in short, Compleo can add value to your existing ERP environment, and this is for sure. So thank you so much for your time. And if you have any queries, we can have the discussion right now. If you want to know how Compleo can helpful to your existing business process, we can discuss. And if you want to schedule a demo for your business team, we are happy to do that. So thank you so much for your time.
So, Jagrati, thank you so much for the wonderful session. I hope it was beneficial to our attendees. So, Jagrati, request you just confirm once if I am properly audible.
Yeah, you're audible. Yeah.
Okay, great. So, we just have a few questions here that have come up. So, I'll quickly put up the same. And meanwhile, I also request attendees that if they have any questions, they can quickly put that in the chat or questions box, and we'll be more than happy to answer. So here are a few questions we have. So I'll start one by one. So the first question is, how can we manage hierarchies based on specific conditions in any specific document? So here, since we are able to read the data from the spool or the PDF or the input files that come in, so we can define variables on the parameters that are to be used as conditions, and using the same, we can set up logic. So for example, if it's a purchase order, so in that's a typical case of having different hierarchies. So let's assume that it's either the department or the company code on which there is a logic to be set, or there's a total amount on which logic is to be set. So we'll just define a variable, check the value for that, and based on that we can define that. Let's say as an example, if it's a purchase order of up to 10 lakh rupees, send it through X workflow. For 10 lakh to 50 lakh rupees, send it through Y workflow. And for more than 50 lakh rupee purchase orders, it should go through the Z workflow. So that kind of hierarchies can be managed even if there's dynamism. Once we have the logic, we can set it up in the next question we have here is, can validation checks be done before document is sent for approvals? Sure, we can do the same. So the method remains the same. So whichever parameters are to be checked for doing the validation, we can set up variables on them, capture them, and run the validation check. If the conditions are matched and validation is successful, we can forward it to the approval process. In case of failure, we could reject the document and probably send notifications to the required members. Then the third question is, can your tool handle scan documents for approval processes? So we can definitely work with scan documents also. The accuracy of reading the scan depends on the quality of scan. On the OCR enabled documents with clear positioning and other parameters being in place, there is a good level of accuracy. In some cases, the accuracy is slightly less. So to take care of that and mitigate that, we could have one level of manual check, and then rest of the process remains automated. Then the next question is there any restriction on the number of approval levels? So there's definitely no restriction as such on the number of approvers which could be there as part of any process. It purely depends on the requirement of business, and the tool is capable of handling n number of approval levels. The next question we have here is, how can we manage the approval process in case any approving authority is not available? So in that case, we can define backup logics, and we can also discuss before setting up the system that how to identify whether a certain person is available or not. and based on the same, we could try to set up the logic with a backup approver in place. So I request the attendees to post questions if there are any. So we'll just hold on for a few moments and wait to see if there are any other questions coming in. Okay, so one question we have is post this, if there is any storage required, how can that be managed? So in that case, if you have a DMS solution in place and you could provide us the DMS integration through API, we can post the documents there for your future users. In case you require a solution from us, so we also have a storage solution called Complio Archiver, wherein we can push the documents based on certain logic, and the same can be searched by required entities by doing a login into the portal and putting up the filter criteria in the given interface. We can restrict the access to the person logging in based on required conditions. So let's say somebody can see only the documents for their plant or their team or their location, etc. And apart from this, if required for documents like payslips, etc., where everybody might not require to log in, but still should have access to only the document in read-only mode. In such case, we could just share a link with the required recipients, and they can view the document printed from there and have it. So I request the attendees to put up if there are any more questions here. Okay, so if a document is approved in Complio, how can we take care of the fact that there is consistency of the approval status in the ERP or the backend system? Okay, so in this case, with the systems where we have certified integration, we could update back fields, and in other cases, we could take an API integration from you and simply update the status in the required fields. So that will help maintain the consistency. Or it's also possible to get required logs from Complio. So Complio could also work as your standalone approval system, which would be audit compliant as well. I request the attendees to put in questions if they have any. Okay, so I'll be there available for some more time to answer your questions. Until then, back to you, Jagruti. If there is any question which pops in, I'll let you know. Till then, you can take over, please.
Yeah, sure. So I request to all of you, if there are any queries or if you want to schedule a demo, so probably next week or this week, we are available. So you can let us know in advance so we can schedule the demonstration for your business team. And we are happy to provide you all the explanation in terms of a Complio, how it will helpful in your existing business process. Not only related to digitization, if there are any queries in terms of workflows or in terms of customized reporting or processes automation, we are happy to assist you.
Okay, so as we see, there are no more questions coming in. So I think there are no more questions available at this stage. So we request from the participants to let us know in case they wish to have a demo for their business or other internal teams. We will be more than happy to schedule the same. Also, please make a note, we'll be sharing a recording for this webinar later today or by early tomorrow. And we thank you all for sparing time for this webinar. We hope that the same was beneficial to you, and we hope to see you in our future webinars as well. Over to you, Jagruti. You can conclude. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. And